All right, we just finished up my second auction on Whatnot. So day 2, which was January 30th, that's the day right there. And I sold 26 items this time around and I made 86 bucks. This I did for 1 hour. I really wanted to compare 1 to 2, but technically my first auction was 1 hour and 45 minutes, so I don't want to say a full 2 hours. But I mean, when you think about that, an hour I made 86 bucks. That's a pretty dang good hourly wage if you ask me. I had some trouble on the app this time around. It may have been my connection, so it might have been on my side, Wi-Fi, but I also think there's a little bit of glitch that happens with Whatnot, so that's a little unfortunate, but they're constantly getting brand new users to the platform. They're getting brand new buyers and sellers daily, a tremendous of people coming in, so they just need to work, I think, at like keeping their data, their software, everything, their employees and all that, keep it up with the amount of users that are coming in. But I liked it. It was good. I got my first troll, so my second live, I got a troll in there, which I didn't really think about it, but I guess I would expect it to happen being female. I've never seen really a troll in males auctions before. Now I see people just kind of talk shit and stuff here and there, depending if they like the person or not. But yeah, I got somebody in actually trolling me, I think strictly because I was a female. Whatever, it's not a big deal. You can block them. I did learn how to block somebody, so that was a fun experience for me. I'm having trouble with my audio. I have no idea why I'm having so much trouble. I'm going to try using earbuds the next time, so like my AirPods or a Bluetooth headset or something, and just kind of connect that to my phone and see if that works better, because for some reason I'm coming out very muffled. That's what I'm getting from other people. There's no way for me to really know, except for maybe ask them to like screen record their phone so I can hear how I sound. So I don't know what to do about that. I took my case off. I positioned my phone differently this time. I positioned my music differently, everything closer together. And I think it was better, but still not good. So I got to get that situated. What I did this time around is I used these envelopes. I just kept them on hand, especially for cards. It's very easy. And I would toss the winning item, the winning card or cards inside of an envelope, and then write the name of the person who they belong to on there. And it, again, because people do buy it multiple times, it's very rare that they only buy one item. And then something like this, I put it just right on top of that person's envelope and keep that together, so this way it's more organized. This would be a very fast shipping process for me. I'll just go in and make sure all the proper items are in there and maybe top load whatever I'm going to top load, and then go ahead and kind of all I do is I fold this up and then I stick this in a padded poly mailer, or if it's like, say it was just one card like this, then I would stick it in a cardboard envelope and we're ready to go. So I'm going to see how fast I can ship this out. So 26 items sold, but 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people. So there's 10 orders to actually ship out. So I definitely have to give it a thumbs up so far. My next auction, I think I'm going to stay with Pokemon theme, but I'm going to mix it up with a lot of variety of Pokemon to try to see if I can build my followers a little bit better. I had a rough, glitchy stream this time, so I didn't really gain a lot of followers. I think I gained 16 more, but I have to improve my quality. I have to improve everything. And keep mixing it up, finding new people, finding new buyers and new users and stuff like that. So my third stream, I'll keep it all Pokemon, but I'm going to do like toys and clothing and hats and bundles and new sealed items and some cards, and just like really mix it up, because I think that would be really fun for people who love Pokemon but don't really know much about the cards or aren't into TCG, and this way I can bring a variety for everybody. For me, as a Whatnot seller, I am liking the platform so far. I think it's got great potential. It's fun. It's easy. It is actually really easy. I think they need to work on a little bit of glitching, and you just got to really work to kind of build your followers and get out there. And I've gotten good feedback on like my setup, the way it looks, so that's good because I'm new. I want to do a lot of auctions so that I can really grow that following base and hopefully try to really make some good money with this platform, and it's so fun for me. So that is huge. It's fun. The 1 hour went by super fast, so that's also really nice. I get to sit down. I'm here on my roller chair. I'm sitting right here at the table. I could drink. I get to listen to music the whole time, so that's a really cool aspect. If you're not playing music in your Whatnot auctions and you're running it for an hour or two more, I kind of suggest doing music if you like music yourself, especially because it just runs smoother for you. It's more fun as long as you don't play it too loud and the people can hear it. With me, I don't know if the people can hear it too much, but I can, so it's still good. Mixing things up just a little bit. It's all Pokemon themed, but we're gonna have a little bit more fun with it, bringing a variety of toys and plush clothing, and still some cards, some new, some pre-owned, so a lot of fun. Make sure to hit the reminder, and I will see you guys at the auction. This auction ran for an hour and 10 minutes or so, hour and 15. I talked for a couple minutes after, just kind of feeling the vibe. I'm starting to get very comfortable and get a good groove. I'm starting to meet new people, so I see people come in the chat. It's really fun to kind of chit chat with and talk and support one another. I'm having a lot of fun, so I was able to fly through 31 items, make $155 in an hour and 10 minutes. So I am going to tally this up after my auction tomorrow. So basically tomorrow, Friday, will be Friday to Friday, my first week, or I guess technically 8 days, but my first week on Whatnot, and really add everything up, minus all the fees, and see what I'm actually profiting and all of the time that I've put into it. So kind of see what I'm making hourly wage wise. I mean, how many other places in 1 hour can you make $155? So definitely something that I am loving and enjoying, and right now I'm not putting any money into it. This is all my collection. This is all my stuff. This is all things that I've had already, or like my death pile. Those are the shirts that I'm including in my auction. So it's just stuff that's been sitting for a year, 2 years, or stuff that's been listed for a year or for a long time, or it's just not worth my time listing, photographing, measuring, but I can just boom, put it up on auction and get $1, $2, $3, shoot, maybe even $5, $6. Some of them I might even get more, right? So it's fun. I'm building a following. That's what I need to check, see where my follower count is now. So I'm at 126 followers. I didn't gain a whole lot at this stream. Now, the biggest spike that I've had so far in followers, other than my first stream, was when I streamed at a completely different time. So out of these 4 streams, 3 of them have been in the evening around 7, 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then one stream I did, my third stream, I did it at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so a completely different clientele is my thought process. So we'll see. We'll kind of try to scatter them around for a little while and pick up some fresh followers from different times of the day. And I'm just trying to hit that 1K sold on Whatnot. So as soon as you've sold 1,000 items, and as long as you have, I think it's a 4.8 rating or better, then your payouts are instant. So instead of having to wait 2 days after the buyer receives the item, as soon as somebody buys it, that money goes straight into my account. So hopefully we can get that 1K quick. I'm kind of estimating like 28 shows or something. So if I do 5 shows a week, then I should be there. You know, I should be there in a month or whatnot. No pun intended. But yeah, just checking in here, and we will check in after the graphic tee auction. Whoo! Just finished the graphic t-shirt auction. I've got to say, that's going to be a maybe once a month, once every couple month thing. So much more work, so much harder on me than the cards. So it's a lot more work for one person, back and forth, grabbing the shirts off of the hanger, off of the racks, putting them on the hanger to show them, going to my phone to hit start the auction, paying attention to the chat, also trying to get the shirt and show it properly, making sure that there's good lighting. I got a lot of steps in, and I plan on going for 2 hours. I did an hour and 40 minutes. So an hour and 40 minutes, a lot more work. The shipping is going to be a lot more work for me as well. Let's see how much I made. First graphic tee auction start. $129. I sold 39 shirts 39 out of the 70 that I had. I got passes on probably 4 or 5 shirts, and then there is an easy 20, 25 shirts I just didn't even go through. I was getting tired. I was kind of not over it. I mean, it's fun, but like my mouth is getting thirsty. I feel like I don't have time to drink anything. My back was getting tired. I just wanted to sit my butt down. I did have somebody comment. I tried to have my setup purposely to like not show my body and not really like show my face. Somebody commented though about my butt, so I guess my butt peeked into the video a little bit, and that threw me a little, because then I had to change my setup a little, and I didn't get like self-conscious or anything, but I was like, dang it, I was trying to definitely avoid that. But yeah, so that somebody brought that up, and yeah, so a little bit after that I was like, all right, you know, I think we'll cool it a little. About 129 bucks, 39 shirts. So I mean, you know, I think on this one I did lose potential money, but I gained $129 that's just been sitting here that I didn't have. So that's kind of how you want to look at it. I definitely think cards is where it's going to be for me. It's so much easier, and I've made more money with the cards. And the shipping is a lot easier. It's a lot less work. I get to just sit my butt down and not show it off. So I'm going to stick with cards for now, or like small items. Alright, 154 followers, that's where I'm at, so we'll see from the last one how many that was. Not a whole lot, so I was hoping to gain a really good crowd from doing something different, but, you know, maybe people come in and they don't really like what they see, or it's not the kind of stuff they're looking for. So, alright, that's all guys. Thank you so much. If you have any questions for me, again, brand new user, literally from Friday to Friday. I have 8 days in, so you can leave me a comment, you can reach me, I'll put all my information here. I am on Instagram, JENSMULTIVERSE, so if you want to connect, feel free, and I will see you all next time.